What's up, everybody? I'm back with another Tool Deals video, and I just wanted to say I was celebrating because I got rid of the events, so that spam won't be there. But oh, look, they're there again. What in the world? I spent like 45 minutes getting rid of these, and I just deleted them again. Look, if I delete these things, I don't know what's going on with Facebook. How they worth so much money, and they can't get something so simple as let me delete and block these people. I delete them all, and yeah, see, no upcoming events. And then when I come back and I refresh, okay, oh, see, I gotta keep doing it, but still, one of them got through. Whoa, boy, oh boy. Anyway, y'all see, I'm trying. Anyway, I did block them, so it shouldn't be any more coming up in the future. So that's that. The other thing I want to tell you guys, I started a new channel, Cheap Houses, where I find cheap houses. Go check it out. Please subscribe. Help me get this up to 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized. Because truly, there was someone complaining, talking about some people are making $4,800 a month. First of all, $4,800 a month is not a lot for a man with kids. Okay, that's not that's not a lot of money. That's 50-something thousand dollars a year. But I don't make that with Tool Deals, so I have to start a second channel to try to get there. Okay, so please help me out. It's similar to the Tool Deals, but just houses. I found this nice looking house right here, 80,000 in Texas, and it's worth about 200 something thousand. So there you go. All right, on with the Tool Deal. So the link to this will be in the description and in the pinned comment. So please support me there. I would greatly appreciate it. Moving on, I want to remind you guys this Ryobi deal here. I still didn't buy it. I just got busy with life. Oh, because it was my birthday and I did some stuff. So yeah, this Ryobi deal, it has this router, which is interesting because it's two routers, and this is the higher end one that Ryobi has. Orbital sander, rotary tool, glue gun, two 1.5 amp hour batteries, all these little accessories, some glue sticks, this charger, and for the 159 you get two free 4 amp hour batteries. Of course, you could hack it. This ends up being like 106, but I'd take those 4 amp hour batteries all day. I like the non-high output 4 amp hour batteries. I don't feel bad abusing them. Like, I'll leave those in the car with the inflator and all that. Now the high output ones I do keep in the house, but those I'll abuse. I don't care, and they've still been going. And Ryobi's great with replacing batteries when they die. Better than Milwaukee. That's another thing. Ryobi warranty is better than Milwaukee, even though they're both TTI companies. They still compete with one another. I had a faulty Ryobi battery. I called them. They were just like, plug it in, tell me what happened. I said, the lights are flashing. They said, oh, you'll have another one. We'll overnight you another one. And I had one in literally 2 days. So yeah, that was that. I called them Monday and I had it Wednesday. It was amazing. With Milwaukee, they wanted me to mail it in. I had to mail it in. It took like 2 or 3 weeks for the whole process. I don't like that. I don't like that. And if you have some Milwaukee tools, it's backwards, because if you have Milwaukee tools, you're likely on the job site, right? You using them every day. You don't have time to be down because your 6 amp hour battery was messed up. Ryobi, you're not using that every day on the job site. They overnight it to you really quickly. It doesn't make any sense. It's backwards. Anyway, this DeWalt deal, it's here. You know, it's $4.99. This really actually is a great deal. It's not like glitchy exciting, right? So we already know this impact driver, this hammer drill, battery and charger is $390 now, $349 right now. Their new pricing, $349 or $379, something like this, between $349 and $399, right? And this whole thing is $499. So basically, let's call it $349. For an extra $150, you're getting this rolling case, which is like $149 itself. You're getting this amazing flashlight. I'm joking. This is not amazing, but you're getting the Flex Vault 7 1/4 circular saw and this Flex Vault reciprocating saw. Now this is definitely a piece more than $149, so you're getting a lot for your money. Tough System 2.0. I like it. Moving on, I'm skipping all around in no particular order. So this is going on over at Tractor Supply. We back at Tractor Supply again. Unfortunately, a lot of this stuff you can't You can buy them online actually. So what you want to do, you see, this is $99 for the kit. So you have the drill, and it's a hammer drill too. It's not a regular drill. It's the hammer drill, battery, charger, in the bag, right, for $99. That's a good price for an 18 volt Bosch German hammer drill, right? Of course, everything's made in China. I think Bosch stuff is made in Malaysia, but still, it's not made in Germany, but it's designed in Germany, just like iPhones are made in China, but designed in the United States. Anyway, you can buy this online and pick it up. Depending on the store, it's $49.99 for the kit. There you go. So last time I mentioned this, I just showed a picture of it, and one of you asked about it in the comments. So here it is. Here's a link. You can buy it, and don't forget, if you buy it and pick up in store, you have Rakuten. Get your 2% cash back. If you're new to Rakuten, use the link in the description to sign up. You'll get a bonus $30. So if you new, man, this thing will be $19.99. It won't even be $19 because you'll get an extra 2% back as well off the $50. So $17. That's crazy. That's crazy. Moving on. Okay, this keeps getting weird. So this was $149. Y'all remember just saying $149. It was the same deal like this, and depending on the store, it was $49.99. So now it's just $69 everywhere apparently, but you gotta keep checking because yesterday it was allowing you to buy it online and ship it to the store, and now it's not doing anything. Like, it's in store only. So when I first showed you this, you could do the same thing here. You could just buy it in certain stores, pick up in store, and it was $69. But honestly, the $149 was a good deal because this little reciprocating saw here is $129. So you're getting a whole lot for your money for $69.99. Got that there. And another thing that I don't know why I did not bring it up to see. Anyway, I was trying to see if that other Bosch 5-in-1 was on their website. It's not. The one that's on. Oh, this is on sale too. Look, $199 now. It says see price and cart. So, it's doing the same thing. Let's see if we can change store. All right, so here's what we do to at least figure out how much this thing costs. Okay, so now let's go view cart and see how much that thing costs. Because the lower end version, the 140, this one's brushless. The brush version I picked up for $79. And now this one's on sale. So let's see how much that costs. Holy crap, $79. Oh, get this, y'all. Wait a minute, gotta pause. What's right here? The box. I'm quite positive. Yep, I got the 140 non-brushless. The brushless one is now $79. Yeah, $79, man. That's crazy for the brushless version. There you go. There you go, right there. So that's that. I already pulled this up, and I don't know why it's up twice. So let's head on over to Acme Tool. Acme Tool is having a flash sale. Take an extra 15% off everything on this page. So I'll just let you guys go through it because it's 1,003 pages of stuff. Clearly, I didn't go through all that. But check this out. We have this DeWalt 2-drawer Tough System 2.0 box for $108 with an additional 15% cash off. What am I talking about? With an additional 15% off using Flash 15. Plus, you have your Rakuten extra 2% cash off. Why do I keep saying cash off? Cash back. And over at Home Depot, it's on sale for $129. And then over here if you just look at like the Milwaukee version, it's $149. So I have that up just to illustrate that's a good deal. Now, Home Depot might price match. They get real wonky with that, but it won't give you the 15% off or, your Rakuten 2% cash back. And like I said, if you're new, you get that additional $30 cash back. And you can also check out any coupons that you might qualify for as well. So there's that. Also, we have, I want to talk about the Milwaukee pack. I was on sale for $218, which is not bad at all. That's a good deal considering the best price I've seen in the past 3 years has been $199. So $218 is great. And especially when you consider this Ryobi is on sale for $197, why would you do that? That don't make any sense. Just pay the extra $20 and get the Milwaukee. It's far better than this Ryobi. So anyway, I'll leave that up anyway if you like green. And then, man, look, we got this Stanley stepping into the scene with the workbox. This thing looks like the cheapest, flimsiest plastic you've ever experienced in your life. But it's $36 though. This is not bad if you want to use. Like, I would get this for my son for his Legos. That would be great because it does have some neat little features. So like on the top box, you have these little organizers here for screws. Like, I'm clowning it, but it's actually quite convenient because none of the other boxes have anything like this. Now they do, but you have to buy this box separately. Like the Milwaukee has one, but you got to buy it separately. This is actually built into the box. So that's actually pretty cool. $36.98. There you go. And look, I heard y'all in the comments. Look, Black & Decker does have that thing. It's called the Matrix. And it is one of those tools that I showed you guys the other day, where they were asking me if I wanted to sell it. But the weird thing is, I don't think this is brushless. This is a brushed system. And if you look at the drill itself, it does not have any mode settings. So you can't. So actually, that one that I showed you a picture of the other day is theoretically better because it has the brushless motor and it also has modes. It had 2 or 3 modes that you could change through. So I appreciate that. This is on Amazon. You get this whole kit, and then they have some other extra accessories as well. And remember that one I showed you the other day had like a pressure washer and all that on there too. This is $329. And I said the other day I could sell that other one for $200 and maybe make it $249 and have like 2 batteries and a case. I don't know, man. It's a thought. That's a thought. I'd have to see if they'll send me like a sample or something. So anyway, there's that. We're almost done. Over here at Lowe's, we have this Craftsman 4-tool set. Again, don't forget about your Rakuten. If you already got your Rakuten bonus, then let's do Retail Me Not because they're 3% cash back. Retail Me Not usually gives more money, more cash back than Rakuten over at Lowe's. But again, if you knew, you obviously want that extra bonus. So, yeah, you get your reciprocating saw here, a drill. It's kind of weird that there's no impact driver, though. Flashlight and an orbital sander. You know, it's all right. I mean, it's not bad for $99, and it comes with 2 batteries as well. Are those 2 amp-hour batteries? If those are 2 amp-hour batteries, that really wouldn't be a bad deal. But I kind of feel like they're probably like 1.5 amp-hour batteries or like 1.2 amp-hour batteries. No? 2 amp-hour, 2 amp-hour batteries. That's cool. And finally, I just wanted to remind you guys, I was in Lowe's yesterday, and I'll show you some pictures on maybe the video tomorrow of the deals they have going on. So this buy one get one on the 12-volt kit is still live. Really, really, really good deal. You get an impact driver and the drill with 2 amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a bag. And these have wonderful ergonomics. They're powerful for their size, and you get to choose from another good tool. You have your little rotary, but don't get that. You have an impact wrench that you can get, a little reciprocating saw, a little circular saw, a little oscillating tool, a little right angle speed ratchet. Look, this is a really good deal for $199, you guys. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you guys next time.